Hello, my name is Tim Cole, and I'm going to talk to you today about a great group texting app called Groupme. All right, it's called Groupme, and here it's a great way to text with small groups. It's in a private chat room. You can use it for many different things. You can coordinate, with your coworkers. You can organize different groups. I use it for my son's AAU basketball team to keep in touch, to send out messages, anything important with the parents. I also use it for my basketball team at school, keep up with family. It's a great way to do that, and it's free. All right. This app works with all devices. If you see down here, it tells you each device it works with, each phone is compatible with. It also works with tablets. It works with laptops, PCs, but it's really convenient for your phone. It's an app. You just go to your app store or Google Play and you download it. It's free. All right. It's a great way to communicate with small groups. You create your own groups and you can share photos, you can share videos, share your locations, all those things there. And also when you get that one person out of the group that enjoys texting just a little bit too much, you can mute it. You don't have to worry about your phone buzzing every 5 seconds because that person, want to show you every picture that they have, in their photo book. So here you go about joining this or adding this app. Simple. All you need to do to download it is type in your phone number right here and then click send. And it'll send you an invite. And you accept the invite and then that's the way you go in and you put in all of your information. Me, I'm already a member, so I can come onto my PC to show this presentation to you guys. I just log in here, but I'm gonna pause it, log in, and come back. All right, guys, I'm all logged in now. Like I said, it's a very easy app to maneuver through, to navigate through. All right, here I have a list of groupings over here on the side that I've already created. Here is if you want to communicate with the group, you just click on it. All right, simple. You go down here to the smiley face and you type in your message. When you're done typing in your message, you hit the plus button and it'll send it out. Okay, here it saves it, some great photos. Here's a group where the kids are out playing by the water. It's just a great app to have. You communicate with all the parents. You can share for those parents that are not there. All right. Now, the great thing about this is if I just, like, for instance, this is my sixth grade AAU basketball team for this year. If I just want to go in and message one person, I can do that. All I have to do here is go up to where it says, the title of the group, and then you'll click the down arrow here, and it'll tell you how many members are in that group. All right. If I just want to text one person directly, I just click on the members, and it'll give me a list of the members. You also can download photos. You can put avatars in there. It's up to you. You can leave it blank. It's your choice. So what you do, you go in, and here I can add members. If I want to add someone to the group, I just click on that add button, and I can type in their phone number or their email address. Easiest way to do it for me is just type in their phone number, and it's going to send them an invite. They accept the invite, and now they become a part of the group. All right. Now, if you want to direct message anyone in the group, you just hover over the face or the avatar, and then it'll tell you, it'll indicate direct message or remove. You also can remove a person from the group. All right. If you want a direct message, you just click on it, and then you can send that person a message, tell them what you want to let them know. Or if that person have, like in this case, it's a basketball team. So if they have been removed or no longer want to be a part, you can just click on remove and you can remove that person from the group. All right. Now, once you're done with that, you can stroll up. All right. And right here, it keeps everybody archived with every message you send. But if you want to delete those messages, all you have to do then is go into any one of them by double clicking it. Or if you're just using the phone, you can just tap it. and then you go here underneath, right here, the drop down. All right, and you can go to settings, and then you can clear that chat that you had with that people or that person rather, or you can block them. All right, you can do those things with the app as well. If you, like I said, if you want to block someone. All right. Now, a couple of other options that you can do with this. All right. Whenever you get, like I said, people over texting, you actually can mute the whole group where you cannot, you will still receive the messages, but it won't buzz your phone or keep up any noise or distract you, where you don't want to be distracted. All right. So you go in and you mute it, click on it, and then you hit the drop down, and then you go to settings, and then you just hit over here where, you can mute the whole group. All right. You still receive the messages, but it will not distract you if you're doing anything where, you don't want to be distracted. All right. And that's my group meet. Thanks.